Nera from Korea. Hi guys, we do a camping today, so we killed one goat, and this is fresh organic goat from the farm. We cut and then clean very well, then slice into small pieces, into cubes. So this is camping site guys. So it's in a hot wok, add cooking oil around 2 tablespoons, add garlic, then add ginger, put it until like golden brown or until the aroma is come out. Add the onion, the red onion right there. Look at my beautiful niece cooking the kaldereta. She likes to cook, but let her cook the kaldereta and my brother. Add the grilled meat. The meat is already boiled for about an hour and a half, so it's already tender. Add tomato paste. Tomato paste is around 300 grams there. This is camping site cooking. Good kaldereta. If you can see, look at the background right there. It's on top of the hill or the mountain. Right there, we already added tomato paste. Stir it to the wood. And then add an apple chunk. And add also the pineapple juice if you want. So acidity of pineapple will help to tenderize the meat and add some flavor as well. And this time add water, then cover it. Can boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. So don't worry, the meat is already tender, but it will boil for an hour and a half. This time you need to reduce the liquid. At the same time, the seasoning will be absorbed to the meat. So you season with salt and pepper right there. Cover. Continue cooking in the medium heat. At this time, so the liquid is reduced into half. Look at that. Beautiful. On the other side, we cook rice in there. So this is camping site, so we don't have rice cooker or electronics. So that's when the stove. Add carrots, potato there. All the vegetables you can add. Then cook the vegetables for about 10 minutes. Look at that. Red bell. Again, the filter there. While continue cooking for about 5 minutes, just stir it. This is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching guys. You're